What's up guys, welcome back to yet another vlog. I haven't uploaded in a very long time, apologies for that. This video though, the main purpose is for me to review this product. The only reason that I'm reviewing this product is because it's Zambian and it's a very nice product. We've already tried it, and we've already tried the reason being is because we made another video and the mic wasn't sitting properly, so like the whole sound was gone. And I'm so frustrated, but we just have to do this again for you guys. So literally this is a Tyre Shine product made in Zambia, and because we already made this video, we've already done the tires up. We've done it all around the car, and so we wanted to like show you before and after. I'll include some clips in from the previous video that we made when there was no sound. This tire was done like 30 minutes ago, but it still looks as good as these tires that we just did 5 or 10 minutes ago. This one looks better because just like 10 minutes ago. And now let me just read some of the stuff that this thing says. And it says it delivers shine that lasts for a week. It has no messy overspray, prevents against harmful elements. I don't know what kind of harmful elements they're talking about. And the directions of use are that it cleans dirt, dries tires, spray evenly on the trim in a sweeping motion, using a towel, remove any overspray on the paint or rim. So literally, I know you guys love driving a car looking good all the time, and I equally like that. That's why I bought this product. It is just 65 kwacha, and this is not a sponsored video, so I would appreciate if you guys just went on Instagram, searched SOCLEAN, and showed these guys some good appreciation and just like their page. And I'll have a post on my Instagram as well. In case you don't follow me on Instagram, just go in the description and you'll find a link that you just click and it will take you there. So on the instructions it said you have to spray the gel onto the tires, but looking at the way the bottle was made, it wasn't allowing for you to spray it on, and using a matten cloth wasn't working either. So what I just did was get a small cup, which I was using to pour the gel into the cup. Does that make sense? What am I even talking about? Yes, I was pouring the gel into the cup, and then I was simply using a brush. And before you apply the gel on, I advise that you clean your tires at least, so that there isn't any residue of dirt left on the tire. And for me this was the best, so I don't know what you guys might want to use, but I was using a brush to just simply rub it on in a sweeping motion, or rather directional motion, and it worked for me. And the goodness with it was that it was reaching even in those spaces near the rim, as I was pointing out right there, in between there where normally a matten cloth wouldn't reach. So because it was also overspraying on the rim, and if you're a car guy, you obviously know that it does leave those residue on there, and it looks like you are putting sugar on it. Yeah, so afterwards I'd simply get the matten cloth, wet it a bit with some water, and wipe on the rim so that the residue doesn't stay there. The other thing that I really liked about this product was that it has no smell, and it really dries up fast when you're using it on the tires, because you don't have to like wait for 10 minutes or even 30 minutes for it to dry up. You can easily apply it now. In 2 minutes time it would have dried up and you'll be ready to move. The only thing that we haven't tested though is how long it lasts. It does say it shines for more than a week, so this will be its test. And the ironic thing about all this was that even before I was trying to make this video, I was making it with the bus, and before I had to finish it, the bus went off, so we kind of started using this. But I hope I've done much justice in just like showing you these Zambian products. So don't forget to give these guys a like on Instagram, like my post on Instagram. You find the link in the description below, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. I hope you liked it.